Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a day in my life as a YouTuber and content creator. And before we get into it, I just want to say that not every day looks like this. Today's gonna be a really fun day in my life doing what I do. But usually it's just, oh, someone text me. But usually it's just me sitting in my room for hours on end and editing all alone. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready now and head to a cafe at a shopping center. Amazing. Thank you.
My pleasure. If you need anything, just let me know. Please, the gumi, the story.
Can I please get the native greens?
Yeah.
Extra hot oat latte, please. I honestly have so much to edit. I had a video that I was gonna get up tonight, but it still needs to be approved by a brand. So I'm just gonna try and get my 19th birthday vlog done. I think I can do it. Oh my god, I'm stressed. I'm really excited though. This is such a nice environment here. Look how cute this cafe is. And tonight I have a TikTok event, which is gonna be really fun. I'm so excited to take you along with me. Aw, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Let me know if you want us to make another coffee for the photo or anything. You will have to eat, otherwise I will have to sit, and I don't care how busy I am, I will feed you spoon by spoon.
You sound like my mom.
That's the best food you will ever have.
No, literally, it hits different. I wish I had a fisheye lens. Do a kiss you on, yeah, perfect. Put my glasses on. Yeah, oh, vibing. Put the glasses down. Cafe tour.
We have the roastery.
All these beans are made here.
All the beans are made here.
I'm a little bit exhausted. I definitely can't get this video live tonight. I still have an intro to do and last minute touches which take the entire day. I'll probably upload the birthday vlog on Sunday. So I have my appointment which is in like 20 minutes and I need to find my best friend Olivia a necklace because she's actually flying to Paris, moving there for her modeling career. My friend Finlay and I are getting her a present. Everyone's looking at me, literally. People have asked this question, how do I vlog in public with all these people around? I just don't look at them in the eye. It's fine because you'll never see these people again, probably. Waiting for my appointment, I'm just getting laser hair removal on my face so it's all nice and smooth and clear. I'm so scared. I usually have my mum holding my hand when I do this because it's painful. I've been doing laser since I was like 15, 14.
It's been a long while.
I went on Rakuten, so I had to stop it for a bit.
Mostly I watch a YouTuber from Malaysia, which means John Su.
Oh, I look like I have wrinkles. Oh, I'm scared.
Nah, you'll be fine,
I'll be fine, I'll be fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Do you guys want to see Olivia? She's gonna kill me for this. Nah, she won't, but there she is. Oh, she looks so good. Hi, Olivia. A little bit This girl named Eliza just came up to me and said she watched my videos. I just want to say hi and thank you for being so sweet. Mwah. Okay, hi. I'm recording the audio on my phone just for better quality again. So, it's windy. I was invited to this TikTok event by this guy named, I don't really know exactly how you pronounce your name, I'm so sorry. He's literally the sweetest, and if you guys are on TikTok, I'm sure you know the sound American Dream.
American Dream, best country in the world.
He made a Melbourne version sound of that.
I'm in the life with Melbourne. I belong here.
So he saw my TikTok and then he messaged me on Instagram and was like, hi, there's actually going to be a TikTok event on this day, so you should come. And I was like, yeah, I'll go. You guys will get to meet him very soon. Hi, Virginia. Hi, for the TikTok party. Yeah.
American Dream, best country in the world.
I love that.
We can go anywhere, even
I'd also like to introduce two very special people in the room. Two of our staff members are here tonight. So we've got Pasha. You may see him from the Apple videos of trolling people all over the internet. And we also have Carla in our managed creator team who's here tonight as well. She manages the room in the room. We've got a gorgeous panel now with Coco and Samantha Andrews to talk all about building your brand on TikTok. You actually do look like a Kardashian. And
Sometimes TikTok's very sensitive.
Right.
So,
elaborate. How so?
like, when I have to write something like fake knife, TikTok gods, or something like that. Or that,
Pulled the word knife. Is that what you're saying?
well, because there's a knife in the video or whatever.
Oh, right.
So it's very sensitive.
So just be mindful of no extreme violence, no chopping off heads.
The watch time, and I find it really interesting, especially with comedy sketches. You know, they say you've got to have something that hooks an audience in within the first 3 seconds. And I'll notice with some sketches that I do where it takes a little bit longer for the punchline to land or for the joke to happen, the watch time will be significantly lower.
Hi. Hello. Samantha actually went to my old school.
I'm familiar with the desert. Is it? They still call it the desert?
I think it's the Oasis.
The Oh my lord. Yes, I also went to McKinnon.
Yeah.
Southeast represent.
Such a great school. What did we hear today about our principal?
We heard that the lovely Pizza Binion is leaving.
Wish her the best of luck with everything in the future.
Yes, we do. Pizza, if you're watching this vlog.
I'm gonna tell her to.
Please do.
I will let her know. You guys are both creators on TikTok. What do you do?
I'm a magpie. I do mag.
Man, I can't drive a manual car. That's my talent. I crashed into my garage and I haven't been able to drive since. That's about it.
Any final words for the viewers?
Keep posting.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep posting, keep watching. We love TikTok. We love content.
What do you grow?
Avocados. I hear that you like avocados.
I love avocados.
Good day, everybody. How's the sexy and beautiful people?
So, what's your special talent?
Oh, I can burp names.
Can you do that for me?
Mascot.
That's so good. And what about Virginia?
Oh my god.
Sorry, I'm to the breath.
Virginia.
Hi. We love your fashion. And what made you dye your hair?
I dyed my hair because the Australian fashion industry thought I would look hotter if I was blonde.
So I'm in Sydney right now and I just thought I'd answer the questions so I can actually upload this video already. Me hasn't edited it for like 2 weeks.
That's okay.
This is the life of a YouTuber. But yeah, now I have Ali with me and he can contribute to the questions.
I'll give my insights.
Ali also has all these social medias, so you guys should follow him. But I told him he needs to start a YouTube channel and he won't start a YouTube channel.
I might. I'm going to Europe for 5 months very soon, so if there's any time to start, it's now.
You have
I don't know.
to.
We'll see. We'll see.
How to balance being in the moment.
Say, okay, we're going to dive into the questions? Or
Okay.
No?
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to say we're going to dive into the questions?
No, you do.
Guys, we're going to dive into the questions.
We're actually diving straight.
How long does it take for you to edit a vlog? Between 20 to 40 hours.
Even just with photos, like multiple hours.
How to balance being in the moment and filming at the same time. See, guys, this is really hard because I feel the need to literally capture everything.
I think a lot of people always create this distinction where it has to be either like one or the other, where you have to be enjoying the moment or capturing content. I personally don't think there has to be a distinction. You can have fun creating content and still be in the moment. Personally, I mean, last night we had a beautiful sunset and obviously it was nice to take a breather and just look around, but taking photos for me at the same time is super enjoyable.
Yeah, if the people around you aren't comfortable with you filming content, it makes it a lot harder. That's why I always ask people, are you okay with me filming? Tips on starting a YouTube channel. My 3 biggest things: value, quality, and consistency. So the value is what people are going to receive from watching a video. Are they going to learn a new hairstyle? Are they going to be entertained? Are they going to laugh? Quality, the overall quality of your video, the aesthetics, the lighting, the shots and the angles that you get, making it entertaining in that way. And consistency is how often you post. I would say once a week is like the golden rule. What made you want to become a content creator? Okay, this is funny. When I was 9, I was searching for some school makeup. I was moving schools and I was like ready to like start a new chapter. I found a Bethany Moda video and I just loved the concept of putting pieces of content together, so editing. And then I asked my dad to teach me how to do basic editing and he taught me like very basic cuts and how to add color on a clip and music.
Hey guys, right now I'm going to be showing you how I do my winter makeup. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is put a moisturizer on. I used this one before the video. This one.
And yeah, and then I just started posting on YouTube and it has been the most amazing journey. Tough and challenging and rewarding and fun. It's taught me how to speak to a camera, it's taught me how to speak to people, how to be more confident in public, especially when talking to a literal camera, which I'm talking to you guys, but everyone else doesn't know that. My mum actually studied media in uni and she always made video clips when she was a teacher. You know that concept with the moving horses? In 1890, Dixon unveiled the kinetograph. My mum had pieces of paper that she brought to her students and like they would stick them together and then they would wheel it around and you could just see the horses moving, and I reckon that's when I first got into it. It's really hot in here.
That is pretty.
Do you think of this one? Aren't you scared of putting yourself out there? I mean, your personality.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a really good one.
I feel like if you don't put yourself out there, then no one will know what you're capable of. It just brings more opportunities when you showcase your talent.
If it's sort of, you're worried about judgments from other people and other people's opinions, I always say people are going to talk no matter what you do.
Yeah.
You could quite literally find the cure to cancer and someone would find a way to badmouth you. Everyone talks, that's just the way it is. You'd never want to like live your life in a certain way where you'd look back and you regret not doing something because of what other people have said or what other people think.
Is there space for everyone in the content creation world? I think there is, because especially with platforms like TikTok, one video can literally change your life. As long as you are committed to it and as long as you post consistently, people will connect to you. There's a lot of prosumers these days, which is producers and consumers. Do you ever lose motivation to create your own videos? I feel like I'm always wanting to create the next thing, but it's not always fun to sit there and to do tedious tasks while editing. What are some of the challenges when it comes to being a YouTuber? I feel like I'm constantly aware of what I look like 24/7, which is really hard. It's challenging mentally, especially with comparison online, because I have to think of ideas. I have to go on social media, look at what other people are doing and like look at the trends. I don't want to say this because I feel like people like who aren't YouTubers won't understand, but I will anyway. You know how people say like being an influencer, I hate that word, but being an influencer is so easy. I don't think people understand what goes into it. You're basically doing the pre-production, production, so filming, and then you're also editing, coming up with ideas at the beginning, collecting props, you're doing the marketing for yourself, you're doing the social media. A bigger business would obviously hire individual people to do those individual tasks. I see TikTok sometimes and it's like so hard being a content creator, la la la.
I think just the main point is that every job has its like downfalls and it has its challenges. No job is, I guess, perfect.
Exactly.
Unless you're
But I still love it. But yeah. What app or software do you use to edit? I use Final Cut Pro X. Yes.
Yes.
Photo editing app that you use to edit your photos. We both use Lightroom.
That would be Lightroom.
How do you find the time to balance the social life as well as editing/posting on social media? I'm actually not finding the time. Usually when I'm out and about, if I have a lot on in a day, that's when I vlog that day because then I have content. So I kind of multitask in a lot of ways. Then it's just editing when I have to find blocks of like hours for that.
How do you come up with content/creation ideas? Because I have to film a short film. Ooh, well, first of all, good luck with your short film. I hope it goes great. I obviously don't do as much video. I do more photo. But for me, it's really just about like finding creativity in little things. I think particularly during the pandemic. Before then, I was very much like a travel photographer and then couldn't do that obviously throughout COVID. But I think it's about finding the little things in the everyday that really stand out to you. It could be a color, it could be a season, it could be a wall, literally anything.
Ali has like colored themes on his Instagram, which is really cool. Then he sees like a yellow fence with like some white flowers, and then he's like, I have to take a photo there. Then he takes a photo there and just edits the flowers to yellow. Jokingly exposing you.
No. I mean, it's completely true.
What equipment do you use and how do you edit your videos? I use the Canon M50, which is my favorite vlogging camera in the world. Whenever anyone asks me, should I get the G7X or the Canon M50, I'm like, do yourself a favor and get the Canon M50. You can change lenses on this camera. It's still like easy to hold as well. I honestly think that kind of covers a little bit of what it's like to create content on social media. There are pros and cons to it. I just love being able to have full control over the content that I create, being able to pick up the camera whenever I feel like speaking and sharing my thoughts and being able to chat to so many wonderful people from all over the world. I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for supporting me and commenting every time a new video is out, seeing your messages and DMs. I know it sounds so cheesy and so like everyone says this, but it's so true. Like I could have a terrible day and then I could look through my DMs and it's the most amazing. Who's that?
Sorry, friends. Mom and Dad's friends.
Oh, that's so funny. Throughout my time here in Sydney, Ali and I have been capturing so many moments, so you guys should go check that out on our Instagrams.
Sure should.
Yes.
Good stuff.
I need to update my highlights. They're so old. If you guys have any more questions, leave them down below and I will try to get back to as many of you as I can. I love you and I will see you in the next video. Bye!